Samsung just added the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked for the S24 series, and this is the summary of everything that just happened less than 5 minutes ago. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is going to retail at $1,299. That translates to about 210,000 Kenya shilling, while the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is going to retail at $999, which translates to about 160,000 Kenya shillings. And the base of this series is going to be the Samsung Galaxy S24, which is going to retail at $799, which translates to about 140,000 Kenya shillings. That is based on the dollar rates as I shoot this video. This is the 17th of January 2024. These three phones will come with dynamic LTPO AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate with 2600 nits. This is bright enough for you to use this phone in bright areas. However, the difference is in the sizes. So the Ultra comes with 6.8 inches of display, the Plus comes with 6.7 inches of display, and the base comes with 6.2 inches of display. The S24 Plus and the S24 come with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, while the S24 Ultra comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass Armor. This is a new technology that has been used on this phone, and it's more scratch resistant and also more protection for your glass. When it comes to the chipset, when you're buying the Ultra, all over the world you'll get the Snapdragon 8 Generation 3. However, for the S24 Plus and the S24, if you're buying it in the US and Canada, you'll get the Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 version. If you're buying it anywhere else, you'll get the Exynos 2400 chipset. You get Adreno 750 GPU if you're buying the Ultra, and if you're buying the Plus and the S24 in Canada or the US. But for the S24 Plus and the S24, if you're not buying it in the US or Canada, you'll get the Xclipse 940 GPU. It's worth noting that the Ultra comes with 200 megapixel of-wide camera, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, 10 megapixel and 12 megapixel to make it a quad camera. The Ultra will be able to shoot 8K videos at 30 frames per second. The S24 Plus and the S24 come with triple rear cameras, that is 50 megapixel, 10 megapixel and 12 megapixel of camera. They can also shoot 8K videos at 30 frames per second. The selfie cameras across the three phones are 12 megapixel, able to shoot 4K videos at 60 frames per second. Galaxy AI is coming. That was the theme of this Unpacked event. Samsung announced the following AI features. One of it is that you'll be able to call a person across about 15 languages, and there will be a direct translation or an immediate translation, an ongoing translation. What I mean is that I will be speaking the language that I'm speaking. Let's say I'm speaking English and the other person is speaking Spanish, and the other person will hear me speak in Spanish while I hear them speak in English. So that's a direct translation. They also said that it does not matter what phone the other person is using. Even if they're calling you from a landline, then you'll be able to hear them speak in the language that you actually understand. However, they did not mention whether the other person will be hearing you in the language that they understand, but that feature is awesome. They also said that the translation will happen on the phone and not online. That is a feature that I'm yet to prove if I ever get to test this phone. The translation by AI does not just stop there. When you're typing text messages, the other person will see those text messages in the language that they understand. So you just need to choose which language you want to translate to, and the other person will be able to read and understand you clearly. They showed this live during the event, and it's one of the coolest features that I've seen. I just hope that languages in Africa will also be included soon enough, because they say that it's only 15 languages that are there at the moment. For every image that is altered using the AI, there's going to be a watermark to indicate that that image is not the original, so that this feature is not misused. There's going to be features like removing objects in images which you do not want, moving objects around the image, and the AI will be able to replace the space that has been left where that image was automatically, but there's always going to be that watermark. This is a feature that has already been there in Google Pixel, and I'm proud that Google has been able to share this feature with Samsung. AI is also going to be able to transcript for you. If there's a meeting that's ongoing and you want to take notes and you just want to record using your Samsung phone, it's going to record for you and identify different voices for it to be able to tell you who said what. Then after all that, you can just use the same AI to summarize for you the notes that it took for you. Because of the partnership between Samsung and Google, you are now going to get 7 years of software update support. This is something that is already there with the Google Pixel. You're also going to be able to search in very many different ways. For example, there's a feature they are calling Circle to Search, powered by Google. So if you are using your Instagram and you just see an object that you want to search, so you don't want to leave Instagram to go and search for it, you just circle that image or that part of the image, and then you'll be able to search that. That will be powered by Google Lens, and can also highlight a text or scribble for you to be able to search. This will make sure that you are not interrupted when you're consuming data. Let's say you're in an application and you want to search something. It's always boring when you have to leave that application to go to another application for you to be able to search what that word or what that object is. In a bid to improve the health features of the Galaxy series, Samsung also announced the Samsung Galaxy Ring. The Ring is going to work slightly better than the Samsung Galaxy Watches do. Google Gemini AI is going to power some features of the Samsung Galaxy series, and this includes altering images. You'll be able to move objects, replace objects, or alter images that have been taken using the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. They also said that these features are going to be brought to the other Galaxy phones, and we are yet to know more about the Ring because some people already had that Ring before it was announced and they already reviewed it. However, they did not even speak much about the Ring. They just announced it, and in just a few minutes, the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked came to an end. The Samsung Galaxy S24 series could be the best smartphone of 2024. However, we wait for the iPhone 16 Pro Max as well as the Google Pixel 9 Pro. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Go to all my other social media platforms and do the same. Stick around.